Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's got green and yellow mixed or something. Oh, now I use mine a lot. It is? Oh, it seemed like it was too close. There you go. Oh, yes. It doesn't always happen that easy. Oh.
Bam. Right. This should come up. Yep. Hold this.
Wait, let's go my way. Okay, right there. Sure. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Yeah, we were giving you time to make the bacon. We heard it sizzle. You run the store, man? Okay, so we need adjustable.
And this is Rich, the full-time mechanic here.
Want to ever see all the nice things about?
Yep, the ones that we said nice things about Rich.
Oh, I'm sure.
I edit that part out. Ha no. See, look at that. Look at that. Just like Eric. Bam!
Bam. Man, now.
It's like someone had that off before.
Yeah.
This nut over here is different. It's brand new.
So much lost it.
It's a water.
Lost it.
You should lower it. Oh, you're lowering. There it goes. Bam!
Bam!
I don't know, you know. I just loosen it, right?
See if they move.
Yeah.
It's gotta come off anyway. Well, don't have to. Seize on it.
Yeah.
Those gotta come off.
Maybe just, I don't know. Yeah, it moves.
Yep, see it.
Okay, cool. What's over there?
What's that?
Is that over there, alternator?
Right.
He's got two belts on the alternator?
Yeah, that's what I said. 2 belts on the
Ooh,
outside.
nice.
Yeah, we had a lot of torque.
Yeah, I guess so.
That's why this has got a lot of torque on it.
Ford will live again. So is this, when what's going to come off when you take this out? These are off with small bolts. Oh, that water pump comes way out. So I'm thinking the whole, it screws right on the end of the water pump.
Yeah, it's probably into it. Right on the shaft.
Yeah, because that's a big
Yeah,
water.
we're almost there. Almost there, Smurf. Hopefully this back one don't spin.
There she goes.
Bam.
You know what those two are. That's pretty cool.
Bad bearing.
I think it's the bell holding it right there.
No,
see?
bad bearing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's bad.
Nice.
And the belts. You know what them are, so.
Look at it.
I take the hose. Wow. Do that again. Ah, there's still a little bit of life left to it, man.
Yep, she's got another 100,000.
I get my arms in the way. I take the hose off. And then when what is that? Half-inch socket. Oh yeah, 4 bolts hold this. That's right.
Coming. There she goes. There you go.
God, hit it. There you go.
You got the other two on your side?
Okay.
There it is.
2 hours at Napa, nothing. 5 minutes at AutoZone, got one. It's gonna hit?
Yeah, you're good.
We're good? Alright. Just gotta clean it up real good then. What's this?
What?
Oh.
It's a gasket goes in
Oh,
there. Don't
okay.
break that.
No?
No, don't break that. It looks like a one-piece gasket at one time.
Looks like it's in your way, man. We gotta get it out of there.
You can't. It's connected to the timing.
And then we'll cut it.
You gotta trim it, yeah. Trim it. Peel it off and make that leak.
Why not?
Mark, you do not want to go that route.
But I like going that route sometimes. I
You
live
see
on
what
the
happened
edge.
You see what happened yesterday?
Yeah, somebody decided to put the belts on the garbage cans.
Yes.
Not mention any names.
Garbage
And the
man.
garbage man picked up our belts.
Yes. That was very stupid.
See, I don't know who did that. Alright, we gotta clean this off. Alright, we're gonna go clean this off. Got it all cleaned up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ready for the new one?
What are you making the instructional videos?
Yeah. Yeah. I got a YouTube.
What's that?
I got a YouTube. Wanna be on it? It's
Does that record volume?
It's gonna make, yeah, it does. Yeah. It was text. Oh, they're backwards both, man.
Spec out. That's good. That sits in a nice convenient spot, huh?
Okay.
Built.
We're gonna put that on, yeah.
Oh, you guys even got the right coolant for it too? Yeah, we're
Yeah.
gonna go green today.
Yeah, we're going green, man.
We're going green, not yellow, and mixed in with all others.
Alright, so this must be those, because they're fine thread.
Yep.
Does that go on now, or we put the belts on first? But we gotta see if the belts are fit. That's another Napa thing. Napa?
Napa, no. Yeah, I knew that. I was just playing.
Yeah, I know you.
Yeah, just see if you're on your game, man. That's
See if
all.
I'm on
You
game.
on your game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'd like to thank the Lord above. Blessing me with my skills.
This is going up a 10 dog.
You see like I work for all day?
Going out to my dear homies. Right.
Alright, well, what you guys do, you gotta do. I gotta go do something real quick. What time is it?
About that time.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. I'm just snugging it home, right? Snugging them down so I can get ready to torque them.
Why are you putting that belt on?
That goes on first.
That's the wrong belt, man. What are we putting new belts on?
They are new.
Is that not new?
That's a new belt. And it will work. Second new belt. Bam.
That's not a new belt.
It is a new belt.
The one that's on there is old.
This is not an old
It's
belt.
got paint all over it, man. Green paint.
You put it in the wrapper.
I don't know if I want to edit that part out.
You put that in the wrapper. Now we're gonna go try this again.
Okay.
Gotta go to the first thing.
No, you don't. Oh, where are you going? You're on.
The last one.
This? Yeah. Right there.
Got it?
Is that going to work?
Boom.
All right. Well,
Anyway, that's why we did.
yeah, because we had a problem in Napa, man. The guy was brutal. You know, we're supposed to have this little, like, 20-inch belt, and it comes out with a 40, no, it was a 60-inch belt. I don't know. It was the size for a lawnmower. One was, anyway. I'll leave all the part numbers in there. We got them all, man.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I think. Is they tight? Get them wrench. Ooh, some wrench. Oh yeah, look at that muscles, man. Come on, man. Oh yeah. Oh, I heard it.
You hear that?
I heard it. That was the click.
You hear that? Don't go.
That was the
don't go.
click. That was the click, man.
This is the one that's tightening the belts now. Don't let them fool ya. Oh no.
What song is that, man?
Take a
What's
breath.
that? Oh, not even. It's starting to scare me now. Does that only go there?
Here? To the governor.
No, it's gotta go around the bottom.
No, goes here.
No, I would think that goes from here to here.
That goes here, and then the big
That-
one goes here to here. I marked it, number 2. This came out second. In the first
But what's this pulley for?
What pulley?
Right here.
That one don't use. You use this one.
Oh, we're not using that one?
Yep.
Oh, that's
Yeah, that's the one you're using.
I like using that one though.
Nope, you're using that one.
Oh man, now you're getting the big stuff out.
Yeah. Gotta do it, man.
Getting a pipe wrench
Do it.
on a vehicle. You'll never buy anything from him, trust me.
Yeah, it will be A1.
Yep, everything will work perfect. Just don't mind the bubble gum and the zip ties.
Listen.
It's like a used car salesman.
But I'm better. Bam.
Look at that, see? I told you he knew what he was doing.
Yeah.
I'm just messing with you.
Yeah, I'm just playing.
Playing. Oh, it's going crooked, man. I like that.
I didn't tighten it yet.
You see, watch when you did that, though.
I
See
know.
it?
Yeah, I gotta suck these in.
Yeah.
That was on 9/16, I think. Yeah.
So 11. Oh, you got it. You got it, man.
Stop playing. I just keep tension on it. Yeah, these were loose. I mean, not loose, the bolts, but the belt was. Did 3 of them, right?
Oh, there was 3.
One on the bottom.
Yeah, because you took these 2 off first,
I didn't take them off.
and then loosen them, and then I remember you having a hard time with this one.
Yep, that one. Yeah, because that one rubs on that bolt.
Yep.
Probably get it with a socket if you really want to. There you go.
Click. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. See how it sits in there nice?
Yeah, one came right up. Boom. There it is.
You got it on there?
I think I do. Yeah, I got it.
Sweet.
They go on hard though.
Wiggle this around, Will.
Yep, got it. Okay, there's that one.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It was spinning.
This one right there.
You want to spin the thing for her? Let's close this so I don't forget. That cut? No.
Give it to me, baby.
Some of the new stuff they do. I can't believe you're gonna make me do this by hand. You got this freaking power gun going on. See what he does? See?
I want, Mark. I don't know why I got 2 different ones. Oh, you know what? We use this for this.
Uh-huh.
This one even it though.
Yep. I'm like the turtle, you're like the
No,
rabbit.
that don't fit. You're good. I don't know why.
I don't know. What is that power tool? You brag about all the time. I'm done.
Oh, you know
Would
what?
you like to use my tool?
Nope, I'm done. I got you. You were hiding out on me, I think.
Look at this. There we go. Yay! All right. We should really check the oil on this thing too, huh?
Yeah, we
Everything's painted green. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks good too.
Yeah.
It's full. Nice. I'm not even gonna wipe it off because it's been sitting here for over a week. It's settled. Right on the money settled. All right, we got everything. Double check, you know. I guess that looked good. That looked good. That looked good. That looked okay. Okay.
Antifreeze.
That's it, right?
Is that 50-50 mix?
Yep. 50-50.
Good.
No way I buy it now. It ain't worth it. You got a mess over here, man.
We gotta get to it, man.
Uh-huh.
There you are.
Uh-huh. Let's see if he knows how to do this. Okay, you pour that into that hole.
This one goes in here?
Yep.
You sure?
Or you can put it in there too if you want.
You know what? I better I'll put
It's faster in this
This
one.
one's bigger.
See, it says, oh, antifreeze.
Taking it like a lady. Take that girl. Don't make me laugh.
Are you shaking,
make me
right?
laugh.
Oh, you're gonna dump it all over the place, man. Well, that thing's swallowing it good.
Oh yeah, she's swallowing it.
Uh-oh.
I'm just putting this in.
I hope we got enough.
We don't.
No. All this, we don't have enough antifreeze?
Who was the purchaser?
It says it works with any color antifreeze.
That's what I told you.
Will not void vehicle manufacturers up to 5 years of 2,000 miles.
You're not listening to words coming out of my mouth?
See what I have to do it all the time? He never said that.
You're not listening
He
to
just
words.
makes... Come on, let's put this in there. All that talk of you talking about putting it in yellow and Pete bought it. See, the Pete didn't buy it, I bought it.
Other antifreezes. Go.
Oh, yeah?
Fire in a hole.
Stop it!